Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having an excellent day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 1970 Chevy Chevelle. Now if you got any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088 or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of it, and then we'll get it up on a lift and out on the highway as well. You can see that the bumper is in excellent condition, and it'll also give you the first opportunity to look down the sides. You can see these body lines flow beautifully here from the front to the rear. As you come around the driver's side, you'll notice that all your gaps here at the door are even and symmetrical, and that all the glass is in excellent condition. Now before we go on around, I want you to come on up and we'll take a look here at the interior. On the inside, it's accented by the black, which is a beautiful complement to this exterior color scheme. It features the bucket seats and console, which houses the 4-speed shifter. You'll also notice we have tilt wheel with a custom grip steering wheel. You can see we've got SS gauges, along with the AC and heat being upgraded to the vintage air system. As we come on around, you can see the door panels, seat covers, carpet, and headliner all in phenomenal condition as well. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue on around the outside, give you the opportunity to see how great that door shuts and fits. As we come across the back, you'll notice more of the one-year-only body styling with this rear bumper. As you can see, it's in phenomenal condition, and the white stripes really do a gorgeous job of complementing this Tuxedo Black paint. As you come on around the passenger side, I'll go ahead and take a step back. That way you can get a good appreciation for just how beautiful this car is. As you can see, the paint has been buffed and polished to a gorgeous shine, and that it's set off by the 18-inch and 20-inch Rev Wheels that really do a phenomenal job of showing off these 4-wheel disc brakes. As you can see, it also has a custom set of redline tires, and as you can see, this car does have the Cowl Induction Hood with the flapper along with the hood pins. Come on up, we'll take a look at the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. Under the hood, it features a prebuilt 468 engine. It's set up with the Edelbrock intake and the Holley carb. As you can see, this car comes with power steering along with power brakes, and of course you can see the upgraded vintage air here. Now this car is dressed with the Chevrolet bow tie valve covers along with the air cleaner with the 454 callouts. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Chevelle, I'll get it pulled around there so that way we can take a close look at the bottom, and then we'll get it out on the highway as well. Now, if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now, let's get this 70 around there and put up on a lift, and then we'll get it out on the highway for you. Now that we have this Chevelle up on a lift, we can take a closer look at the floors, frame, and the driveline. As you can see, the gas tank has been replaced along with the fuel lines. You'll also notice that the floors and frame appear to be original and are in excellent condition. Under the front, it has had the ball joints replaced along with the end-link bushings, and you'll also notice that it has the front sway bar. The big block is mated to the Muncie 4-speed trans that goes out back to the 12-bolt rear end. Now for exhaust, it has manifolds with dual pipes and the Flowmaster mufflers. Out back, you'll also notice that it has a rear sway bar and that it's set up with 4-wheel disc brakes that feature 6-piston on the front and 4-piston on the rear. Now let's get this 70 down and you can see it on the highway.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.